Right, let's go deliver these. 317 out in 4 days. What I've learnt to do is you've got to stack them not more than 2 high. If you go 3 high, they get squashed, and they've all got to go in the back seat. These are definitely more than 2 high. They call me the Easter Bunny. We're dropping off hot cross buns to all the people I've either sold a house to, appraised their house, or they've sold with me. So we've got the list. People that need to receive the hot cross buns. Pretty amateur on an A4 piece of paper and pencil. There's about 120 packs. I'll try and do it today. If I can't get it all done today, it'll have to flow into tomorrow. I definitely smell a bit fruity after a day of giving out hot cross buns. I knock on their door. We need someone to be home. If they're not home, I leave it on their doorstep and I send them a text message wishing them a happy Easter. No one home. See ya. He loves them. Who doesn't like hot cross buns? On to the next one. Make sure it's here. So if the homeowner's not home, I just send them a text message. I've put them at your front door, enjoy them for afternoon tea, and make sure you use lots of Marmite. Send that to them so they know I've been over and it's all ready to go and they've got something to look forward to when they come home. 120 packs drop off.
Thank you very much.
Right, no worries, sir. I've just had a text come in. Hey Leon, thank you so much. Hope you have a great Easter too. Yep, the time will come soonish when we will need your help for sure. Great response. My name's on the buns. The next 2 are neighbours, so I've sold one of their houses and I praised the other one. So we'll give them both hot cross buns. Man, I've got some hot cross buns for you.
Oh, thank you very much.
Everyone's house of appraise gets a pack.
Oh, cool.
I've sold the house at the front and at the back. 2 packs of hot cross buns. Oh, I'm tired after doing this all day. Scott, Glenn and Rachel, 3 packs. Hey, how you going? You alright? We've just got you on board. 3 packs of hot cross buns. Let's go. Trick is just to get it done. When you got like 90 to drop off in one day, yeah, you got to be efficient at it. And I am quick.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Deer.
You're welcome.
Yeah, lovely.
I got a building report in 36 minutes for a house I've got under contract in Cray Street. Do you like hot cross buns? No, they're the Leon D. Tremaines ones. Alright, this is my building inspector Phil from Better Inspect. He's looking at 13 Cray Street today. Phil, what do you look at when you're at a building report?
We cover everything from underneath tiles all the way to the ceiling space, moisture around the windows and doors.
Yeah. Oh, well, let's go in, eh? We'll go and have a look. The old key. We had 3 offers on this house at deadline. I mean, how can you not like this? It's great. And you know my favourite part? The dinky shed. Check out that roof. Look at this Fiji tree. Look at the size of that one. Napier's biggest Fiji. Yeah. When I come up with a new idea, I always send it straight to my PA. So I'll send it through and see what they reckon. Hey, I've just had a great idea. Next year we should do Napier's biggest Fiji competition. Voice to text doesn't know what Fiji means. Coming back at feature. Actually, Fijis are great on hot cross buns. I'll show you my recipe later. Right, we've got probably a third of the hot cross buns down, another 2/3 to go. Hot cross bun life. I've always been searching for the ultimate hot cross bun recipe, and I think I've nailed it. So I reckon first thing you gotta do is get a knife like this. Cut it into 3. So 1, 2, and then just 3. More surface area always helps for things to taste nicer. Chuck them in the toaster. There's not only room for 2, so you put the 3rd one on top. That will heat the top one as well. All right, the next step is you got to get a red pear. Really important to cut it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Pears ready to go. Oh, hang on one thing. The old Marmite, Kiwi favourite. You got to have the Marmite on it. Trick is chuck loads and loads Marmite on it. This is the best bit. Then chuck a bit of pear on top, and also because we're in season, I recommend put a bit of Fiji on it. Cherry on top. Great how hot cross bun time and Fiji time are at the same time of the year. I think it's about ready to go. Shall I do the honours? Not bad. All right, I've got a few test bunnies here. All right, guys, give it a go. Tell me what you reckon. There's 1 each. It's not bad, eh?
Is that Marmite?
Mildly on.
Salty.
That's a great combo. I don't think I'll have any more.
What?
Thank you.
No more.
Where's the butter?
The doggy. Here, look, here.